Hello, my name is Jordan Page, and I will be covering 3D printing and its effect on manufacturing. Let's start off with what 3D printing is. 3D printing starts with a 3D model on your computer. This 3D model is designed using software or is scanned and projected onto the screen using a 3D scanner. Slicing, also known as turning the 3D model into hundreds or even thousands of layers, is used in order to create the final product. The 3D model is sent to a printer via USB, SD card, or Wi-Fi. This all depends on what kind of 3D printer is being used. Let's move on to the 3D printing industry. The 3D printing industry is expected to have an estimated 2018 revenue of $12.8 billion. This is expected to exceed $21 billion by 2020. 3D printing is used in the following industries. 17% goes to consumer goods, another 17% goes to industrial goods, 13% goes to high-tech, 9% to services, and 7% to healthcare services. There are a wide variety of companies producing 3D printers. I've listed 10 below. I'm going to give you the names along with some market information. The first one is 3D Systems, which has a current market cap of $1.36 billion. The second one is X1 and has a current market cap of $165.49 million. HP Inc. is the third one and has a market cap of $36 billion. The fourth one is Materialize NV and has a market cap of $770 million. Coming in at number 5, Nanodimension with a market cap of $68 million. Organovo with a market cap of $156 million. Number 7 brings us Proto Labs, which has a market cap of $2.16 billion. Stratasys, coming in at number 8, has a market cap of $1.13 billion. SLM Solutions Group AG has a market cap of $637 million. And Voxeljet at number 10 has a market cap of $92.95 million. The purpose of this presentation is to educate you, the audience, on 3D printing's effect on manufacturing. The first one is material cost savings. If I wanted to produce an aluminum product, I would take an aluminum block and put it within the system. The system would produce the product and scraps. These scraps could then be melted down and used to produce another final product. The assembly line strategy would also change completely, either substantially eliminating manual labor or eliminating it completely. Rapid prototyping is another effect of 3D printing on manufacturing, which is a group of techniques used to quickly fabricate a scale model of a physical part using three-dimensional computer-aided design. This means that rapid product testing would be implemented. This saves time, which saves money, which means that there would be no more need for molds, which again saves time, which saves money. Lighter materials would also be used. This means that products will be lighter, and the materials used to produce these products will be cheaper in some circumstances. There will also be complete personal customization, which means customers will be able to customize the product to their personal preferences. I've also included some of the pros that are associated with 3D printing. 3D printing is digital, which means there is no waste, or in some circumstances, waste can be recycled to produce another product. I mentioned previously how products will become completely customized. 3D printing also saves time, which I also mentioned previously. There will be cost reduction, warehousing, which means there will be an increase in the amount of storage capacity with regards to product holding. There will also be increased product sophistication. This happens because people will be able to design products with extreme detail through the software and systems that they use. Businesses can also personalize products, which means they can target their audience with even more accuracy. Safety also is a huge pro, as there will be no more need for manual labor within dangerous conditions. However, there are also some cons associated with 3D printing. Is the material going to be available? How long does it take to produce a product? There is going to be a long learning process with regards to educating people how to use 3D printing technology. The cost of 3D printing can also be expensive with regards to actually purchasing the systems. There's also might be a lack of waste consideration, which means people might see waste and not take the opportunity to reuse it. So what does the future hold for 3D printing? Digital manufacturing will be local. Printing a 3D product will be available on your desktop. Individuals will be able to create their own products, completely custom. People will be able to go online shopping and customize their products to their preferences. And one big thing is organ technology. Organs will be 3D printed in the future. This means that organ transplants and the process that lies within it will be changed completely. Thank you for your time. I hope you find all of this information valuable.